From the beaches of Texas to the turquoise waters of the Florida Keys, join Fantasy RV Tours on a guided journey along America's Gulf Coast. Experience the perfect blend of coastal charm, history, and relaxation. Over 35 days, you'll explore vibrant cities, seaside towns, and white sand beaches, all with the comfort and camaraderie of traveling together. Taste the flavors of the South with fresh Gulf shrimp, Creole cooking, and waterfront feasts. Fly above the Mississippi River in a seaplane, listen to live jazz on a warm New Orleans night, and stroll beneath moss-draped oaks in timeless southern towns. Every stop reveals something new: history, hospitality, and the magic of the Gulf. From antebellum mansions to the Gulf Islands National Seashore, each destination tells its own story. Encounter wildlife up close, from gentle manatees to coastal birds. Then unwind in the Florida Keys to savor fresh seafood, chase sunsets, and create memories with new friendships that last a lifetime. Go guided with Fantasy RV Tours and join us on this unforgettable journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a moment of our RV adventures.